As a physician, I participate in clinical trials to give my patients more, to give them access to things that they wouldn't have access to under standard of care. But the reason that I participate in clinical trials more than anything is to advance science.
A research protocol to me is instrumental to not just taking care of the patient, not just providing them standard of care, but moving the whole cancer mission forward.
Offering a trial gives them the best chance at optimizing and kind of personalizing their care. And over time, once we've discovered more about these cancers biologically, we have newer, specific, targeted therapies for that cancer that have improved outcome.
Cancer Research of the Ozarks is a National Cancer Institute-sponsored organization that gives providers in Springfield, Missouri, the opportunity to put patients on national cooperative research protocols.
Having these trials in our local area is state-of-the-art, and it is well supported by both Mercy and Cox. They've been dedicated to the cancer patients, and so they've worked together to make this incredible program.
To allow patients to have access to high-quality clinical trials and not to have to travel to tertiary centers.
We have a great opportunity to help patients while we're providing standard of care through a protocol. We can study a question that might move the whole understanding of their cancer care along and compare it to other patients across the country.
Since we've unraveled the human genome, we have such an explosion of new information with respect to mutations in cancer. There's a lot of biological difference or heterogeneity in the cancers. And so as time goes by, we're going to know more and more about drugs that will help with those mutations.
Cancer treatment is starting to be individualized, it is starting to be specific, and it is changing drastically. 10 years ago, we used to give everybody the same drug. You've got A plus B equals C if you had X cancer.
And today, it's more about a smart drug or a smart bomb equivalent to just hit the genetic mutation, so they're much smaller trials targeted against the genetic mutation.
We have new drugs every week that are getting approved by the FDA that we can use. And the reason that these drugs are coming around are clinical trials.
It's giving us a chance to get medicines to our patients here in the Ozarks that we could never receive.
Cancer Research of the Ozarks can't do what we do without patients and their willingness to go on protocols, and providers and their willingness to spend the extra time to talk to the patients about the importance of moving the whole process forward.
We're here to help patients through their journey of cancer, regardless if they participate in a clinical trial or not. But we would like to offer them that opportunity.
Research to me is an integral part of the patient care that I provide.
I just think that it's very important work, and I believe in cancer research deeply. It's the only way we're going to be able to know if these drugs work.
We need to find different ways to help cure cancer, and we're not going to find that if we don't do more trials and don't participate more.